Finally, a budget handset with the trendy 2:1 aspect ratio screen that is smaller than 6 inches. We kid, but there is a whole lot of unfulfilled demand for phones with elongated bodies and thin top and bottom bezel, aka the full view / vision and infinity displays of this world that aren't of the 5.99 and up variety. Enter the Honor 9 Lite that is escaping its Asian confines today to arrive in Germany, Italy, France, Spain, and United Kingdom at a very affordable €229 price. The handset sports a 5.65 full view FHD screen, meaning it has slimmed down top and bottom bezels, and an 18:9 display aspect ratio. That allows it to fit a nearly 5.7 display in a heretofore 5.5 panel body with a narrower width for a better hand grip. The Honor 9 Lite is crafted out of glass with a metal frame, and the gesture-based finger scanner is handily placed on the back, so it ticks all the right boxes when it comes to looks and ergonomics, even at this budget price level. The number crunching is supplied by a 16nm octa-core Kirin 659 chipset, clocked at 2.36 GHz, which is more than adequate for the phone's needs, coupled with 3GB RAM and 32GB of storage, plus a memory card slot for expansion. The shining feature of the Honor 9 Lite is the quad camera set. It sports a 13MP plus 2MP kit on the rear, and the same resolutions at the front, allowing for portrait mode selfies and hardware-level bokeh effects achieved by having dual sensors. The Honor 9 Lite is available right now in Midnight Black, Sapphire Blue, and Glacier Grey from the source link below, but, word to the wise, the exquisite nanoscale optical coating, that glistens in the light and gleams like a diamond, is only applied to the Sapphire Blue and Glacier Grey models. Given that the 9 Lite ships with Android 8.0 Aria and the latest EMUI 8.0 out of the box, any of its colors is a bargain at this €229 price, though. Any takers?